Pedro Francisco Carmona Estanga was born July 6, 1941, in Barquisimeto, a city in the Venezuelan state of Lara. Early 2002 saw mass protests and a general strike by opponents of Hugo Chávez, the dictator of Venezuela from 1999 to 2013. On April 11, 2002, following clashes between supporters and opponents of Chávez, Lucas Rincon, commander-in-chief of the Venezuelan armed forces, announced in a nationwide broadcast that Chávez had tendered his resignation from the presidency. While Chávez was brought to a military base and detained there, military leaders appointed Pedro Carmona as the transitional president of Venezuela. In the face of crowds of Chávez supporters taking to the streets and under pressure from some quarters of the military, Chávez was restored to office. During Carmona's 36-hour government, military officers attempted to force Chávez into exile. Additionally, security forces conducted raids without warrants and took some Chávez supporters into custody illegally, including National Assembly Deputy Ter William Saab, a member of the Chávez-aligned MVR party, who was taken into protective custody by security forces after a large crowd had gathered around his home, threatening him and his family. He was held incommunicado for several hours. After the coup, Carmona was placed under house arrest, but he was able to gain asylum in the Colombian embassy after an anti-Chávez protest distracted his security detail. Later, he was granted asylum in Colombia, where he has worked as a tenured lecturer at the Sergio Arbolda University.